Okay friends, are you ready to count with me today? Yeah, let's go. Here comes the number 1. Look, one yummy apple appears. Now let's try number 2. Wow, 2 bananas jump in. Here comes the number 3. Look, 3 juicy strawberries. Next to number 4. Look, 4 oranges. Now the number is 5. Ta-da! 5 watermelons. Here comes 6. Wow, 6 pears pop up. Now it's number 7. Look, 7 juicy grapes. Here comes 8. Wow, 8 pineapples appears. Now the number is 9. Look at that, 9 blueberries show up. Finally, here comes the number 10. Wow! Wow! 10 kiwi fruits. The next time. Bye bye.